Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Me and my brother at the creek today. A little bit chilly, not gonna lie. I dread getting in, but we got some minnows in here. We're gonna try to seine them up, and hopefully we're gonna have an awesome day on the river and catch some big fish. Oh, whew, that's cold. Come on, Crane Puff, get through her.
I hate fighting in trees.
Hunger up. God dog.
You're saying you're a rookie, you didn't know it, did you?
Just did.
Hunger up again. Can't catch a break this morning.
A lot of trees in the water.
I see a bunch right here.
Yeah, there are.
All right. Go ahead, you ready to circle? Yeah, well, right there they are.
Come this way.
Oh, we got a big chub in there.
I can't wait to catch him. Dude.
Oh, he is a hammer, isn't he? Yeah. Don't forget about him. Pretty good dip.
That bar. Oh, show off this chub right here.
Well, first dip of the day, and we've got a trophy chub. One of them chubs you can lip.
Lip him.
Gosh. Look here.
Look at that bait.
He's gonna get. What's gonna happen to him?
He's been saving up for a new tattoo. He's gonna get tattooed.
And look here. We got a bunch of big chubs in there.
Chubs.
Sweet. All right, guys, we are done getting bait because we got enough. Maybe,
Say the least.
maybe too much.
Yeah.
Let me just show you what the cooler looks like. You can't even tell. Just run your hand through there.
I mean, probably 500.
We got enough to fish all day, and then tomorrow, and maybe the next day. So, all right, guys, finally at the spot. Fishing a little river. We actually had plans to go to another spot, a little bit bigger river, but we had a rain last night and it's muddied, so this creek right here usually stays pretty clear, so we decided to come here. Since we came to this smaller creek, there's not as many quality fish, but the quantity should be pretty good, so we've actually decided it's 1v1, me versus my brother. Whoever catches the most wins. Loser has to buy a blizzard, and I'm ready to eat a blizzard after this, so we're gonna get started. All right, I think Connor's about to go down, boys. There we go. What do we got here? Oh, a little Redeye. Number one in the challenge. I did catch one earlier, but we gotta let Connor know. Woo woo! Awesome. Uh-oh. 1-1, Team Connor ties it up. Little bitty one. Uh-oh, Con. What is that, 2-1? All right, 2-1. Thank you, buddy. God. Oh, God. Did you have that on?
Yeah.
On GoPro?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Sorry about that one, buddy. Oh, look here at the belly on this little guy. Got 2-1. 3. I got 3. 3-1. Uh-oh. Looks like you're getting eat up. No? It's just sitting there breaking water. See you, buddy. All right, I was winding my bait back in. This smallmouth came and grabbed it. Not a bad one either. Perfect hook set right on top of the mouth. There we go. That's number 4, baby. Well, heating up. What's that now?
3-4.
3 to 4.
3-4, like Paul
He's
Pierce.
trying to make a little comeback.
Right.
Oh, I did it again. Golly. Sorry about that, little buddy. All right. Connor's hooked up. A little better one, maybe? No, not really.
Look at the bait and fish.
All right, boys, one's picked up my minnow. I think he's got it. There we go. Another little smallie, little bitty smallmouth. He crushed it. What's the score?
6-4.
6 to 4. Still got the lead. Try to keep it that way. All right, Connor's hooked up right here on a dang good smallmouth. Let's see if he can get it in. Oh, that is a heck of a smallmouth for this river that we're in. Oh, he got it.
Baby.
That's a good one.
Nice. +3 for lunker at the end of the day is the new rule on the challenge. We had decided before I hooked up on this one, so I'm not changing it as we go. Lunker so far, solid.
Probably
2.5.
2.5.
2 pound, 2.5 pound smallie.
That's a good one.
Got a good
That's
one
pretty
in his lip.
fish.
Yeah, he clobbered it. All right, there we go.
All right, guys, we've made it down to the hole we've been trying to get to. Pretty good walk. We fished a couple spots on the way. We've caught a few fish, but we got high hopes in this little hole right here, so we're about to wet a line, float a minnow down, and battle it out right here in a 1v1 river challenge. So let's get started.
Uh-oh, might get a double. Got mine. Mine let go of it, so don't hold me accountable.
All right. Nice little pretty river smallmouth there.
That's a good bite. You rolling?
Yeah.
All right. I had a little bit bigger minnow on and one's picked it up and he's got it swimming, just going up the current with it, so.
Good hook set.
Yeah, I got him. Connor, I'm gonna be honest, he's rolling like a catfish. Nope, it's a smallmouth.
Even that big leaf. Good one. Looks like decent anyway.
Yeah, he's a little bit better.
Yeah. A little bit better.
These fish fight so hard. All right. There we go.
Any size?
Little bitty one. But guess what it is?
Kentucky?
Give me 3.
Walleye?
Give me 2 points.
Oh, he caught him a walleye. 2 points for a walleye, Big William. Got there poking.
Alright, little update. We just smashed some Arby's, delicious. But we're about to pull into another spot. I think the score is
12-9.
12-9.
12-9. I'm still holding the lunker, so
I got the lead, but he still got lunker, so technically we're tied up. Well, boys, we was walking up through here, and I about went down a step. Whew, that wouldn't have been no good for me. Don't know what kind of snake that is. He's cold though, not very active. There he goes. Woo! It's a little water snake, I think. All right, we've made it to one of the best places in the whole river. Look at this place. Absolutely beautiful. Drops off real deep right here. There's a good little pocket. And it always holds some fish usually, so we're gonna set up the tripod right here, and my GoPro's pretty much dead, so hopefully everything on this camera will, if we catch something, you'll be able to watch us. So big walleye. Big walleye. He has an extra point. Let's go. That'll be your 60th. That'll be your 60th fish, so you'll be at 70. Pretty good one. Good walleye. Good walleye, Calder. Well, make that one more, Big William, add to the list. Alright guys, that closes out this video. Thanks for watching. Ended up, I think I beat him by 1 or 2 points. He caught one there at the end. I think I beat him by 2 because I caught a walleye here at this spot. So, looks like I'm going to get me a blizzard, but thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time.